Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into the realm of rumors and leaks surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. With the Galaxy S24 series setting high standards, expectations are soaring for what Samsung has in store for us next. Let's explore the exciting prospects for the S25 Ultra's camera and performance upgrades. At the heart of the Ultra model lies its groundbreaking cameras. The S25 Ultra is rumored to sport a 200MP main sensor paired with a 100MP space zoom feature. But the real excitement brews around potential upgrades to this already stellar setup. According to leaks, the wide-angle lens on the S25 Ultra could receive a substantial upgrade, while the ultra-wide lens might see a leap from 12MP to a whopping 50MP. Imagine capturing even more detail and expansiveness in your shots. The telephoto lens isn't left behind either, with rumors hinting at variable capabilities while the specifics remain a mystery. This could translate to smoother zoom transitions, especially during video recording, an exciting prospect for content creators and photography enthusiasts alike. Now, before you get too carried away, remember that these are still rumors. However, the track record of previous leaks accurately predicting features like the S24 Ultra's upgraded telephoto lens adds weight to these speculations. Moving on to performance, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to run on Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, promising a significant boost in power and efficiency. Benchmarks hint at impressive performance metrics, potentially rivaling even the top-tier competition. There's some chatter about the chipset lineup with debates between Snapdragon and Exynos exclusivity. While rumors circulate, it's worth noting that Samsung's past strategies suggest a mix of chipsets across different S25 models, ensuring optimal performance across regions. Battery life is another aspect of keen interest. While a larger battery may accompany the power-hungry Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, enhancements in charging speeds could be on the horizon, addressing the need for faster wired charging options. Looking ahead, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's arrival aligns with Android 15's presence, promising robust software support and potential AI advancements. We anticipate Samsung's continued innovation in AI features, building upon the successes of the Galaxy S24 lineup. In conclusion, while it's early to draw definitive conclusions, the Galaxy S25 Ultra appears poised to elevate the smartphone experience to new heights. Stay tuned as we uncover more details leading up to its anticipated launch in 2025. Are you excited about the potential of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for all the latest updates on tech trends and innovations. Thanks for watching.